Hello. In this video, we will see how to solve first-degree equations. The most important rule is this: change the sign of the operation for each term when going through the equal sign. When you want to put one number to the other side of the equation. This can look difficult. Let's see an example. The first equation that we are going to solve is 2x minus 3 equals 6 plus x. In the equation, we have two sides, two parts. The left side and the right side. And this is quite important because we have to put all the x terms, so terms with the letter x, on one side. I'm going to choose the left side. The numbers on the right side. Let's start. The first term is 2x. 2x is in the left side. And we have to remember this. If the 2x is already on the left side, I have to put 2x. I have to look for all the x terms. The next x term is this x, but is on the right side. I want to put this x next to the 2x on the left side. If I want to go through the equal sign, I need to change the operation. What is the operation? For the x, the sign before is plus. So it will be minus x. I change the sign. Equals. Let's continue. The 6 is on the right side. So I write the 6. The minus 3 is in the left side. I want to put this number next to the 6. So I'm going through the equal. I want to put this on the other side. I need to change the sign. I continue doing the operation. 2x minus x is x equals 6 plus 3 is 9. This is the solution, and I can check the solution in the original equation. So I go here. Okay, this is the check of the operation. We are going to test that the solution is right. So 2 multiplied by x, but the x is 9, minus 3 should be equal to 6 plus x, the x is 9, plus 9. We are going to see if this, the left side is equal to the right side. This is 18 minus 3 equals 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 equals 15. The solution 9 is right. 15 is not the solution. Okay? We are only checking that the solution is right. The solution is 9. Okay? The 9. this. Let's see another equation, now with brackets. Let me clean this a little. Okay. 2 multiplied by 2x minus 3 equals 6 plus x. We have to remember the way of operating with polynomials. So if we have a multiplication, we do 2 times 2x for x. And now 2 multiplied by minus 3, minus 6, equals 6 plus 6 is 12. I only have one x, and this isn't on the left side. Perfect. 4x equals 12. And now I have to move this minus 6. It's a number, sorry, so I have to move this number next to the 12. After the 12 or before the 12, it doesn't matter. I need to change the sign, so this will be plus 6. For x equals 18. Okay, now I need to make the 4 disappear because I want to find the solution of the x. To make the 4 disappear, I write 4x, and I'm going to divide by 4. If I divide one side by a number, I need to divide the other side by the same number. And this is a very important rule to keep in mind. If I don't do this, the equation will be wrong, incorrect. If I divide, I can cancel, I can simplify the 4, and I will get x equals 18 divided by 4. This solution is not exact. This is a fraction. We need to simplify this fraction. To simplify the fraction, we look for the HCF of 18 and 4. The HCF is 2. So I divide 18 by 2 and 4 by 2. The final solution will be 9 halves. If you want to check that the solution is right, you have to go to the original equation and check it. Let's see now how to operate with fractions. Let's write x minus 1 over 6 minus x minus 3 over 2 equals minus 1. To find the solution of this equation, I have to remove the fractions. To remove the fractions, I will find the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 6 and 2. This LCM is 6. As you can see, I don't have fractions in all the terms. I have here 2 fractions, but on the right side, I have minus 1. If I want to transform, if I want to turn this number into a fraction, I only have to put 1 below. So now with the LCM, I put my LCM in all the denominators. And I start dividing. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 1 will multiply x minus 1. For the second fraction, 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 will multiply x minus 3. And finally, 6 divided by 1 is 6. Multiplied by minus 1, minus 6. When you get this, there is a wonderful property of equations. When you have all the denominators equal, you can cancel these denominators. When you cancel this, you only have to operate the numerators. I will have x minus 1. Here, be careful, it's not 3, it's minus 3. Don't forget the sign. Minus 3 times x, minus 3x. Minus 3 times minus 3 is plus 9. Equals minus 6. When I have this, I write all the x terms on the left side. I have everything on the left side, all the x terms, and the numbers on the right side, minus 6. This plus 9 will be minus 9, and minus 1 will be plus 1. I finally get minus 2x, and here minus 14. Finally, I can divide. To make the minus 2 disappear, I can divide by the same number, minus 2, and minus 14 divided by minus 2. So I make this minus 2 disappear, I cancel the minus 2, and on the right side I have to divide. Minus 14 divided by minus 2 is 7. This is the solution of the equation. Bye.